Well, this sucks. Second time this car has died on me. Head over weekend soccer tournament with my son. Coming off the expressway. Heard a couple of clicks in the back of my engine and it just stalled. Dang it. Time to get it over to Berger Chevrolet in Grand Rapids. This is so sad. Hopefully something minor. Could not get on the, we didn't have the tool to get in neutral. We didn't want to pull it, drag it onto the flatbed. We were able to lift it on dollies without touching any part of the car, just tires, which is good. I guess here's a good look at the underbody.